In this video, you'll learn how to redeem a Binance gift card. By following these steps, you will successfully add the value of your gift card to your Binance account. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. After clicking this button, enter your account credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification to ensure your account's safety. After logging in, look for the gift card section in the main menu. Depending on the layout, you may find it directly on the home page or under a drop-down menu labeled More or Products. Once you click on Gift Card, make sure to select the Redeem option to proceed to the redemption page. This is essential for preparing to redeem your gift card. Next, you will see an input field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears. It's important to double check for any typos, as an incorrect entry may prevent successful redemption. After entering the code, you should see a summary of the gift card details displayed on the screen. Review this information to ensure it matches your expectations before moving on. Once you confirm that the details are correct, find the button labeled Redeem or Submit. Click this button to send your redemption request. Following this action, you may see a loading indicator or a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Wait for the confirmation to appear, which will signify that your gift card has been successfully. After redeeming, navigate to your wallet. To verify that the gift card value has been credited, click on the Wallet section, which is typically accessible from the main menu. Review your balance to ensure the amount from the gift card is reflected accurately. It is advisable to save any confirmation messages or receipts for your records, as this can be helpful in case of discrepancies or issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.